Summer is a great time to go fishing, and one group made it easier for families to get outdoors for the fun. The Genoa National Fish Hatchery and the Southwest Wisconsin District Lions Club hosted their annual Fishability Kids Fishing event this morning. The event helps kids of all abilities out to explore what fishing is about. Participants were able to fish for trout, bluegills, and catfish. One organizer says the experiences are what makes the job memorable.
It's, one of my favorite parts of the job for any of our fishing days, with the ice fishing, spring fishing, and then with this, it's one of my favorite parts of the job is watching somebody really kind of take hold and enjoy just catching that fish and watching their face with excitement.
23 kids participated in the event this year.